Forget the nether and the end, because whispers are swirling about a brand new dimension coming to Minecraft. Now, Mohan hasn't officially announced anything yet, but subtle hints and developer comments are pointing towards a possible addition that could completely change the way we play. We need to dig deeper into all the evidence pointing toward the biggest potential update ever. First, let's look at the biomes. Recent updates have focused heavily on expanding existing dimensions, but data miners have uncovered code hinting at entirely new environmental types unlike anything we've seen. Think floating islands, crystal caves, or even underwater cities. Keep a close eye on those future updates for the introduction of unique blocks like the new tough blocks. Next, consider the items. Developers have been hinting at new resources and crafting recipes that don't quite fit into the current dimensions. These resources could be from the brand new dimension. Imagine new tools, armor, and potions with completely unique effects that help players to thrive in the new dimension. Finally, let's not forget the mobs. A new dimension means new creatures to fight or befriend. Could we see intelligent species, massive bosses, or completely bizarre life forms unlike anything else in the game? Speculation on this is all over the place. So, while it's not confirmed, all the signs point towards a new dimension possibly coming to Minecraft. Keep your eyes peeled for official announcements, and get ready to explore the unknown. Hit that subscribe button for all the latest Minecraft news and speculation.